Tornado emergency for Bunnyville and Lee. The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for southern Ness County and west central Kansas, northern Hodgman County and west central Kansas, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:52 p.m., a confirmed large and violent tornado was located over Garden View, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Tornado emergency for Bunnyville and Lee. Locations impacted include Garden View, Bunnyville and Lee. Precautionary preparedness actions. Repeating, a large, extremely dangerous, and deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Homes may be flattened. Tornadoes of this intensity will cause catastrophic damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.